right.
Okay. Hey Magley, it's like 10:30 p.m. and I just got home from work. So instead of making dinner, I got fried chicken, which there is an abundance of in Korea. It's very tasty, and there's like different kinds and stuff. Some of it's like in the bone and some of it's not in the bone and stuff, but this kind is very good. It comes, see, it's like, this kind is like, it's got this sauce. Comes with these tasty little things. They are called duck, I believe. I'm probably pronouncing that really wrong. It's like rice that I've just like pounded down until it's a really squishy, tasty thing. So good. Oh, I'm very tired. Work is hard, in case you didn't know. Oh. And you wanted a video of me where I'm not wearing makeup. You got your wish. Also, even though I'm in my own apartment, I'm still using this tiny weird fork that they give you at the chicken place because I'm too lazy to wash one of my own forks. I'm doing really well. Catch you on the flip side. Dude, I was so wrong. It's like 11:30. I need to go to bed.